Hi all, this is Yagutamizhi. I am the creator of Yagutamizhi. Guys, in this YouTube channel, I am planning to upload cloud-related technologies as well as certification courses. And in future, I also have an idea to upload data engineering technology because it is one of the leading technology in IT market, and I also trying for that position. Still, I was in the learning curve. So once I got idea about that technology, I will started uploading videos on the technology as well as this. And guys, I like to explain all the concept through drawing. So we recently buy on device. Yeah, you can see here. Using this device, I'm going to explain all the cloud data concept in through drawings. So I hope it is very much very helpful to you people to understand the cloud data concept easily. Yeah, then yeah, and another one information, I'm going to upload videos in both Tamil and English language. I think I hope it is helpful to this both the audience. And finally, I have one request from my side. Please do share this YouTube channel to the people who is going to start their career in cloud, or the people is interested in learning cloud related technology. I am 100% sure it is helpful for them. Yeah guys, that is from my side. We will meet shortly in the videos. If guys like, bye bye.